Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I am partnering with Jet Set Models 400 to show you guys one of the best 1:400 and 1:200 scale accessories that you could buy for your model airport. Let's get into it. In this first section, we're going to be reviewing the cones, the people, the divider or cement walls, and the buses, which you can see all in this scene, and they look great. Jet Set Models absolutely blows it away with the realistic cones and people, and even the buses and cement walls. This looks straight out of Denver International Airport. This set would particularly be for regional aircrafts or aircrafts like this where they walk up to the gate as opposed to a jetway. But the amount of realism that you can see Jet Set Models put into each one of these cones, and even the people and the buses and the dividers, it really helps the airport come all together as one. Specifically, you can see the articulated buses right in front of the Frontier aircrafts, but in the background you can see the two normal buses. These buses have a great amount of detail and they look extremely realistic. I wanted to end on this front view so you can see just how cool it looks with the dividers and the people and the cones all set up and the buses offloading the passengers. Before we continue to review the rest of the Jet Set model accessories, I just want to show you guys where you can purchase them if you are interested. Once you go to jetsetmodels400.com, you can scroll through and see all of the items they have for purchase. Then you can hit add to cart, and then once you go to checkout, if you would like a discount, you can type in my discount code, which ends at the end of this month, and it is MileHigh Aviation, no spaces or caps. Hit apply, and then the discount will be added to your cart. Moving on to the next accessory, we have these regional ramps that can connect your passengers from the ground up to the regional aircraft. These are very detailed and they look especially good with the United blue because the roof of it is blue, so obviously the colors match very nicely, and I would highly recommend purchasing some of these if you have a regional airport. These seem to fit at the CRJ 200, CRJ 700, CRJ 900, and even the E170 level, and they line up very nicely as you can see without much of a gap at all. Next up, we have the snow removal equipment. You can see we have some de-icers here as well as a snow plow, and these are very highly detailed. The package also comes with some other stuff sprinkled in it that helps make it look even more realistic. And to those of you that put flour on your airport during the winter to help it look like snow is there, these accessories would work perfectly with that. Overall, I'm just super impressed with Jet Set Models' quality on all of the accessories and the attention to detail. Moving on to the next accessory we have the Jet Blast deflectors, which you can see when an aircraft is taking off, it just deflects the jet blast. It can be hard to tell, but these jet deflectors are actually 3D printed with plastic, and it is actually not paint, so they seem to be very nice quality and should last as long as your airport is alive. They also add a great amount of detail to your runway, and it helps it look more realistic than it already did before. That does conclude today's review of the Jet Set Models 400 accessories. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these accessories to help make your airport more realistic, you can go to the website and use code MileHigh Aviation for a discount until the end of the month. And I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching and all of the support to get me to 10,000 subscribers. And if you liked this video, please consider subscribing to the channel to help support me and my channel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.